New to crypto trading? Let's talk about how to actually make money. A hidden promo code inside can give you a boost on your trades. What do a great trader and a penguin have in common? A cool head. A penguin survives storms by staying calm, and a trader survives the market the same way. Meet Jane, a complete beginner. She started trading crypto with big dreams, but her emotions traded for her. When Bitcoin dipped, panic hit. She closed her trades too early because she feared the price would keep falling forever. But markets often bounce back, and by exiting in fear, she locked in losses that could have recovered. When prices pumped, greed took over. She kept holding, believing the rally would never end. But markets always pull back, and when the correction came, her profits disappeared simply because she didn't take them in time. Then Jane discovered the safe zone, a simple routine that protects every trade before it begins. Safe zone means three things. First, set your stop loss before entering the trade. It's your automatic exit if things go wrong. No panic needed. Second, set your take profit in advance. It automatically locks your gains when your target is reached. Third, make sure your take profit is at least twice as big as your stop loss. This creates a positive risk-reward ratio. And even if some trades lose, your account can still grow over time. So what's the scam zone? It's not scammers. Scam zone happens when traders rely on emotions instead of rules. No stop loss, no take profit. Adding money to losing trades just to recover. Following random signals from unknown bloggers. Jane lived in the scam zone and emotionally paid for it every single week. When she moved to the safe zone, everything changed. Want to join the safe zone? Find the promo code hidden in this video and start trading on Margex. In the next videos, we'll break down more elements of the safe zone for beginners. Subscribe so you don't miss them.